Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. Are you having trouble with sounds on your iPhone? Whether it's call, music or notification, I'll show you how to fix it. Let's get started. First, check your silence switch. Ensure the silence switch above the volume button is swiped up and not showing orange. You should also adjust the volume setting. Use the volume up button to increase the sound. Or you go to the settings app and you go to sounds and haptics, and there you can adjust the ringer and alert slider. You should also disable the Bluetooth. Open setting, then you go to Bluetooth and turn it off to ensure audio isn't going to a paired device. Next step is to clean the speaker. Gently clean the speaker grooves at the bottom of your iPhone using a soft brush. Next step is to test with headphones to see if sounds works through them. Next, you restart your iPhone. Hold the power button and slide to turn off, then you power it backward. You should also update your iOS. Go to the settings app, then you go to general, and then go to software update, and then you install any available update. Next, you reset all settings. Go to settings, then general, then you go to reset. Then you select reset all settings. If the issue persists, it might be an hardware issue. And that's how you troubleshoot sound issue on your iPhone. If this helped you, please like and subscribe for more solutions. Thank you so much for watching and bye bye.